We are now structuring the live stream that we're setting up within a specific event in our Circle account. You'll notice here that we can set up the live stream so that we can either use the speaker view or the gallery view. You can determine if access is going to be open or if access is going to be private. If you leave access open, everyone that's part of your community will be invited to the live stream. You can also make it so that the event will be private. Now in this case, we are going to leave the event open. We can make it so that the event will be hidden from non-attendees. This is toggled off by default. We can turn it on if that is what we want to do. We're then going to click on Notifications. We can choose to toggle on or off all of the email reminders and in-app notifications. We can also customize a specific thank you message for individuals that sign up for the live stream. And again, this is toggled off by default. What we're then going to do is create the draft for our live stream. You will then have a live stream event, and you'll be able to customize the details. You can customize the date and the time. You can customize the location of the live stream. You can customize who will be invited. You can customize the notifications. And you also have advanced options such as SEO and attendees. What you'll notice here before you publish is that you will have access to a shareable link so that you can give individuals access to the live stream. Once you have verified that the details are what you want them to be, you can then publish the event for your live stream. We can then choose to publish this event. When it's time to attend your live stream, you can go into the live stream. You're going to notice that you're going to get some indication as to when the live stream is going to start. When you do this, you can click this button when you're ready to go live, and you can start the live stream process. Now that the live stream is set inside of our event, the next step is to actually go live with the live streaming event. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.